also find a similar sound M in English. So this is one sound which is found commonly in so many languages. But sometimes there are certain sounds which are specific to one particular language. For example, Urdu uses the sound ka, whereas in Arabic there is no pa sound. There is pa sound in Hindi, there is pa sound in English. There is also a pa sound in Telugu, but there is no pa sound in Arabic. So when you have to write Pepsi in Arabic, what do? You write Pepsi. Okay, because Arabic does not use the pa sound. So in this way, each language has its own set of sounds that it works with. English works with 44 sounds or 44 phonemes. Now, a systematic study of these 44 phonemes, a systematic or scientific study of these 44 phonemes constitutes the phonetics of English. So, phonetics of English involves a study of these 44 sounds. It is such a vast language where, which is used all over the world universally, but it works only on small.
मैम आपकी आवाज अटक रही मैम.
Yes, ma'am. Video also stuck.
Ma'am, your video is stuck and your voice is full breaking and you are not audible.
Set of 20 sounds, another set of 24 sounds. This set of 20 sounds is such that, is everyone able to hear me? Any problem?
Now it's clear ma'am.
Now it's clear.
So these set of 20 sounds are such that they can be produced without any friction in our vocal cords. For example, I can say I can say I, I can say oh, I can say oh, I can say I can say So I can produce these sounds as short as.
Ma'am, voice breaking, video stuck, no voice.
Again we are not getting voice.
So this was
Ma'am,
the
your voice is
quantity
not
of.
coming, ma'am.
Ma'am we are not getting voice.
Now is it okay?
Yes ma'am, no. But your video is not coming ma'am.
मैम
The video
बीच
quality
बीच
is
में
not
आपकी
good, ma'am.
वीडियो स्टक हो रही मैम और आवाज भी बंद हो जा रही.
Oh my God! For me, it is clear here. I have
Ma'am, your video quality
switched
is
on
not
my
good.
mobile. What to do, beta? I'm using my mobile data. Plus, I have also connected to the internet here, thinking that
Ma'am आप Wi-Fi
one or
disconnect
the
कर
other
लीजिए
will
मैम.
keep working.
Wi-Fi disconnect कर लीजिए मैम.
इंटरनेट
मैम
setup
आप
होता है तो
Ma'am, Wi-Fi disconnect
immediately
करिए ma'am, या
it can
mobile
switch
data
over to
disconnect.
my mobile data बोल के.
वाईफाई डिस्कनेक्ट कर दो मैम आप.
पूरा मोबाइल डेटा पे स्विच कर. Shall I switch over to my mobile data totally?
यस मैम.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. Is it okay now?
Video quality is not good, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, वीडियो क्वालिटी को छोड़िए थोड़ा सा, मे बी इट
We'll
विल
manage, ma'am.
You please switch off your microphones. It's disturbing me, very badly in my ear. So, you see, अभी इसको और थोड़ा खरीद करूँ क्या? Shall I close in the phone?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
also, ma'am,
Yes, अभी okay है?
we can manage,
Okay.
ma'am.
Readable है? अभी okay है?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो अब सही आ रहा थोड़ा थोड़ा।
हाँ, तो सही
No,
हो
it's good,
जाएगा।
ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you. The more important is for you to see the board, not to see me. So there are 20 sounds which are such that we can create them as short as we want. I can say the shortest. Could you hear the voice? Could you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the shortest sound I could create, and the longest is maybe I could have dragged it longer. It all depends on how much air you hold. क्योंकि ये आवाज कैसे निकल रही थी? The air that was being pushed out was being articulated into this sound. So ये जो sounds होते हैं, ये इस तरह के sounds होते हैं. That is why we call them vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are those sounds which are produced without any friction in your respiratory tract or in the phonatory system. When you are creating these sounds, जब आप ये sounds को create कर रहे होते हैं, so there is nothing that is stopping the flow of air.
Ma'am, it's vowel sound.
Yeah, vowel sound.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
English language में ऐसे 20 sounds are found. We find 20 such sounds in English language. हिंदी वगैरह में भी होता है. देखिए, if you are you must have studied Hindi in your school level.
Yes,
से
ma'am.
लेकर आहा तक. How many sounds are there? A, I, U, U, E, I, O, Au, aha. 12 vowel sounds. तेलुगु में भी कुछ ऐसा ही है. A, I, U, U, E, I, O, Au, aha. So there are 14 vowel sounds in Telugu. अरबी में कितने हैं? Alif, Ya, Waw. Only 3 vowel sounds. Imagine करिए the versatility of that language. सिर्फ 3 vowel sounds को यूज करती है अरबिक लैंग्वेज, जिसे आप हुर्फे क्या कहते हैं, खमरी या हुर्फे शमसी. One of them is हुर्फे शमसी, the other one is हुर्फे खमरी. So vowels are only 3: Alif, Ya, Waw. और बाकी की सब consonant sounds हैं. So English में 20 consonants, vowel sounds. So first thing that you need to remember is, why do we call them vowel sounds? We call them vowel sounds because these sounds can be produced as short as we want or as long as we want. It all depends on how much air you can hold, or what is the capacity of your lungs. तो जितनी ज्यादा कैपेसिटी होगी उतना ज्यादा आप जो है ये साउंड्स निकाल सकते हैं. इसीलिए सिंगर्स की कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर एबल टू सिंग सॉन्ग्स एट ए हाई पिच, है कि नहीं? इवन खिरात में जब आप बहुत लंबी लहन से पढ़ते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा सांस रोकने की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो बेसिकली उस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे होते हैं? You are using the air that is filled inside your lungs to create those vowel sounds which brings that music into your khiraat. Okay, तो ये सारा vowel sounds पर ही depend करता है. Music basically based है इन्हीं vowel sounds पर. ठीक है, आप जो initial जो राग होते हैं किसी भी म्यूजिक में, आप देखेंगे कि वो राग जो है सारे इन्हीं vowel sounds पर based होते हैं. Okay, understood now? Why do we call them vowel sounds?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
talking about vowel sounds. Please don't be confused between sounds and alphabets. Sounds are 44 in number, and these 44 sounds are represented in words through only 26 letters of alphabet. सिर्फ 26 letters of alphabet से आप ये 44 sounds you represent. That means sometimes a single alphabet or a single alphabet क्या है actually? Alphabet is only a symbol. This is only a symbol which represents. Sometimes you see this symbol जिसे हमने नाम दिया है G का. This is we gave the name G to this symbol. It is written as like this in capital letters and like this in small letters. This gives us two types of sound. One is the j sound. इसको technically आप ऐसे represent करते हैं. And the other one is the g sound. The j sound as in ginger and the g sound as in gun. The alphabet is a. Can you see the board still there, or should I not write that side?
No, no, ma'am, we can see.
हाँ थोड़ा सा out of range हो रहा है शायद जरा सा I will turn. Okay, so this alphabet gives us two sounds, the j sound as in ginger and the g sound as in gun. So मतलब ये कि alphabet तो एक है लेकिन it is giving us two sounds. Take another alphabet. So this is T written like this in capital letters or like this in small letters, gives us a t sound. In between the slashes means ये sound है. It gives us a t sound as in tin, gives us a ch sound as in nature, gives us a ch sound as in nature, gives us a sh sound as in nation. Okay. T sound as in tin, ch sound as in nature, and sh sound as in nation. Symbol एक ही है. So that is the reason why, or that is how we can explain that these 26 symbols help us to represent 44 different sounds in English language. इसमें से vowels के लिए तो only 5 are used. The remaining 21 are used to represent consonant sound. ये जो left over है ये consonant sound है. तो मतलब ये that means 5 alphabets. What are those? A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. ये optional है. These are the 5 symbols which are used to represent these 20 sounds in our speech. Okay. These are the 5 letters जिनसे हम ये 20 sounds को represent करते हैं. But then that means the ratio is almost 5 letters representing 20 sounds. The ratio is almost 1:4. एक alphabet 4 sounds represent करता है. But the actual I mean इतना ज़्यादा exact तो नहीं है. Like for example, let us see. If I write here, can you read? Now this alphabet, let us take this A, represented by this in capital letters, small letters. Now this gives us a sound. This gives us an A sound, as in car. Can you read? Can you see the board if I write here?
Ma'am, board is blur, ma'am. It's clear.
थोड़ा सा अभी ठीक है?
No,
अभी
ma'am.
ठीक है?
Now it's clear. Now it's clear, ma'am.
हाँ,
Clear.
gives us an R sound as in car or a L sound as in cat. वही alphabet है. But you can't tell anyone who is learning English for the first time कि भाई अगर whenever you find this word or this symbol उसका sound आ होगा similar to the बड़ा आ of Hindi और इसको आप कार पढ़ोगे तो फिर what will that person read this? Cart, cart, cart. And then एक और होगा, this is the sound in, अगर आप एक ही sound बना दोगे तो that person, that new learner will read it as car, cart, wall. But is that the way we read it? No. This is car, this is
Cat.
cat, this is wall, wall. There is a lot of difference. Car, cat, wall. So the same alphabet giving us 3 sounds. There is one more. H. H. No, not H, sorry. Bout. Bout. It is not about or about or about. It's bout, bout, about, bout, around, account, amount. So this is the symbol we use. ये सबसे shortest vowel sound होता है. This is the shortest vowel sound. So here only you have seen that there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds given by one alphabet. आपका ratio holds good here. It's the same case with all the other remaining alphabets. So in this way, these 20 vowel sounds are represented by 5 vowels. तो ये जो आपके alphabets हैं, letter of alphabet, इनका क्या काम होता है? They only help you to represent these sounds in a spelling. So you write K-N-I-F-E and यहाँ पर this I is giving one particular sound. I sound दे रहा है, ये ऐसा वाला symbol इसका use होता है. I और फिर ये वाला जो E है, this is also a vowel. But does it have a sound here? Knife. इसका कोई sound नहीं है. This is soundless. So though there are 2 vowel alphabets in this word, only one of them has a sound, the other one is soundless. Or in other words, we call it a silent vowel. It's a silent vowel. ठीक है? So this is how words are used to represent sounds. Now coming to the next set of sounds, the consonant sounds. Why do we call them consonant sounds? Vowel sounds का तो reason I have already told you. So why do we call them vowel sounds? Because these are the sounds that can be produced or articulated as short as we want or as long as we want. जबकि ये जो sounds होते हैं, all those sounds are such that you cannot produce them or you cannot articulate them unless you stop the flow of air at some point or the other. चलिए मान लीजिए आपका जो first consonant alphabet है in the list of alphabets, which is the first consonant alphabet?
B.
हाँ, B. इसको आप represent करते हैं through this symbol और this symbol. ये दो symbol हैं जिनको आपने नाम दिया है B का, लेकिन इनका sound क्या है? What is the sound of B? अगर आप कहें इसका sound B है, तो फिर how do you make it बा? जैसे बाबा और bathtub. तो how do you make it? अगर इसका sound सिर्फ B होता तो बा नहीं बन सकता था. तो मतलब ये कि इसका sound B नहीं है. इसका साउंड कुछ और है. What is the sound? It is only, see, the sound is only you try to get the stream of air with a pressure. You try to get it out, but stop it at some point. Can you identify what point you are stopping the air of the flow of air? B. What is the point? Try
Starting.
saying it with me. Lips. Good. You try to bring both the lips together and stop the flow of air. तो इसका साउंड इतना ही है. इसका जो साउंड है वो सिर्फ इतना ही है. और इसके बाद जो आता है एक और, सपोज हम लोग इसको विल टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ द कॉन्सोनेंट. Yes, sir. So that means we are trying to stop the flow of air at this point, at the point of lips. और फिर आपको एक वॉल साउंड की हेल्प लेना पड़ता है इसको बाहर निकालने के लिए, क्योंकि अब मुंह बंद हो गया आपका. You close your lips. अब you have to open your lips to allow that air to come out. और इसको ओपन करने के लिए you need a vowel sound. क्योंकि vowel sounds are all created with open mouth. आ, ई, उ, ए, किसी vowel sound में आपका मुंह बंद नहीं होता. That is another special feature of vowel sound. हर vowel sound में your mouth is totally fully open. That is why they are created without any friction कहते हैं हम. Friction का नहीं होना means your mouth is open. All parts are open. So अब अपने पार्ट्स को ओपन करने के लिए you have to take the help of one vowel sound. और आप इसमें लगा लेते हैं, कभी ई लगाकर उसको बना देते हैं बी, कभी आ, हाँ, कभी आ लगाकर उसको बना देते हैं बा, कभी ओ लगाकर उसको बना देते हैं बो, जैसे बॉल. ओके, बार, बीच. So that means ये जो B है उसमें the bigger part is, see, it is like this. It is a sound जिसमें it is दो अलग अलग sounds के combination है ये. इसी ये वाला sound है ये. B, it's plus E. The longer part is E. The longer part is E. तो इससे इसी ई की मदद से आपका जो ये साउंड है वो बाहर निकलता है बी और पी. और जब खुलता है मुंह तो एक एक्सप्लोजन के साथ खुलता है. डोंट यू फील अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लोजन? बी, दैट मीन्स द एयर वाज all gathered here. There was a lot of pressure, and then you applied one vowel sound, and that vowel sound. अब उस vowel sound को आप अप्लाई करें, मतलब क्या हुआ कि अभी तो आपने मुंह बंद करके हवा को रोका हुआ था. The mechanism is interesting. आपने हवा को रोका हुआ है मुंह बंद करके. अब आपको एक साथ में एक vowel sound भी क्रिएट करना है, तो you have to open your mouth. क्योंकि vowel sound क्रिएट करने के लिए तो मुंह खोलना पड़ेगा. So P, like this. P. So this P or B come out with an explosion. That is why these are called as bilabial plosives. Bilabial means involving two lips. Plosive माने it's a short form of explosive. ये sounds जो है हवा के explosion के साथ produce होते हैं. Whereas जो एक sound है, देखिए, this is not an explosion. It's called trill, the vibration of air. So that's the r sound, as in rose, ring. Okay, rat. So अलग-अलग sounds जो है अलग-अलग mechanism से produce होते हैं. Anyway, we don't have to go into details of it. I just wanted to explain. So ये consonant sounds That is why these are called as consonant sounds, because these, none of these sounds, ये 24 sounds में से there is except one, नहीं नहीं, जरा less friction अगर होता है तो वो what is that sound?
F.
What was that sound?
C.
Sound, either given by S or C, as in cylinder or as in suitcase,
Silent.
silent, swim, etc. या कभी फिर sh sound, as in
Shark.
sharp, sugar, etc. तो ये जरा कम फ्रिक्शन से क्रिएट हो जाते हैं, मतलब है कि यू ओनली नैरो डाउन द स्पेस. ट्राई सेइंग so airstream mechanism is not totally stopped. It is I think 80% blocked and 20% the air is pushed out, creating these sounds. इसके अलावा most of the other consonant sounds actually can only be produced by closing the flow of air at some point, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक किसी एक पॉइंट पर उनको हवा को रोकना पड़ता है. फिर ये रुके हुए एयर फ्लो को once again, in order to make it resume its flow, we have to take the help of a vowel sound. That is why all these 24 sounds are called as consonant sounds. English language में ऐसे 24 sounds पाए जाते हैं जो खुद से बाहर नहीं निकलते आपके मुंह से, इनको निकालना पड़ता है. You have to take them out of your mouth. Is it clear now the concept of vowel and consonant sound? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? Any doubts? Anybody has any doubts?
No.
Let me see what is the strength. I expect, what is this nonsense? Only 23 boys? Kazim sir? See boys, I am giving so much of my
Yeah,
time
ma'am.
and Kazim sir नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोगों में से सब कहाँ हैं? Anyway,
नहीं है मैम, नहीं कर दे.
it's your choice. If you don't want to attend, I don't care. So these are 24 consonant sounds, and they are represented by 21 symbols in spelling. These are the symbols used to represent these sounds in spellings. Pronunciation में these sounds will be represented by phonetic symbols. In pronunciation, in spelling, these sounds
Symbols.
will be represented by these letters of alphabet. Spelling में, that's why this ये topic पूरी interconnected है. You get 20 marks questions out of this topic. Spellings में these letters of alphabet
Are used as symbols.
are used to represent these 44 sounds. Pronunciation में phonetic symbols are used. Phonetic symbols are used to represent these sounds. So इसीलिए sometimes when you want to, इसीलिए there is a difference in English language between spelling and pronunciation. Most of the words in English are not spelled the way they are pronounced, and they are not pronounced the way they are spelled. For example, we took one example, knife. In spelling, we are using so many symbols. One consonant symbol, second consonant symbol, third consonant symbol, two vowel symbols. Altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 symbols हम यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन साउंड कितने इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं देखिए आप. ये साउंड कट ऑफ, इसका फोनेटिक सिंबल है N plus I plus F. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sounds. One is consonant, the other one is vowel, third is a consonant. That's it. So we are involving only 3 sounds. Okay. In the spelling,
Five.
we involve
5 symbols.
5 symbols. So this is the ambiguity of English language, you know, which adds to the charm of this language. You have to learn spellings and pronunciation separately. क्योंकि कोई भी hard and fast rule ऐसा नहीं है which can be generalized for either all spellings or all pronunciation. कोई generalized rule आप नहीं बना सकते. For example, you can't say कि भाई the sound of this symbol O is U, as in do. It is, ठीक है, T may be, TO is to, but suddenly NO is not no, या
No.
GO is not go, है ना? So
Yes, ma'am.
in 2 words, the sound is the same. Another 2 words, the sound is different, though the symbol is the same. So that is why आपको अगर आप 2 वर्ड्स सीखना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश में तो दोनों के स्पेलिंग भी सीखने पड़ेंगे और दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन आल्सो यू हैव टू लर्न सेपरेटली, मतलब टेकिंग केयर टू सी दैट दिस कैन बी साउंडेड डिफरेंटली.
12:15.
जी बेटा,
It's 12:15, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Yes,
for
ma'am.
reminding me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Inshallah, next Thursday we will continue with the class and I expect better strength, boys.
मैम कल भी है ना क्लास?
कल संडे है ना?
Saturday
ना? Sorry.
Saturday,
Okay,
ma'am.
so tomorrow 11:30 inshallah sharp.
जी मैम, शुक्रिया मैम.
Okay, ma'am.
Please tell your friends to join me, otherwise अब कल कोई भी नहीं रहेंगे ना तो I won't allow them to my class in the following weeks, क्योंकि once they miss these basic classes then there is no point having them later on. ठीक है? चलिए,
शुक्रिया मैम.
Jazakallahu khairan.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.